Ladies and gentlemen, we are live on the YouTube channel. Will the officer please open the courtroom for the afternoon session?
State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Miriam Martin Clark is presiding. While court is in session, there's no eating, drinking, smoking, or driving. Please adhere to proper courtroom decorum. Mr. Ackroyd, can you remove your hat, please? Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, you are in a virtual courtroom. Gentlemen, please remove your hats. I know it's cold outside, but we need you to remove your hat. You are in a virtual courtroom. Mr. Ackroyd, we're waiting for you, sir. Thank you so much. All right.
I had to get in the car first, sorry.
Thank you. The court is calling case number U58768. 320 Raphael Edgar Turner. And the charge is soliciting, aiding, and abetting another for an act of prostitution. Mr. Raphael Edgar Turner, if you're in the virtual courtroom, please give your name for the record.
Raphael Turner.
Thank you, Mr. Turner. Who's representing Mr. Turner?
Afternoon again, Your Honor. Maurice Davis, P76203, appearing with Mr. Turner. Waiting for Marie getting her plea of stand mute.
Thank you. Mr. Turner, the court is entering a not guilty plea for you. We will give you a pretrial date on which to return, and that date is June 15, Madam Clerk, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
June 15, 2021, sir, at 9 a.m. We also are giving you a personal bond. It means you don't have to pay any money, but you must return on June 15 for your pretrial. It will be a Zoom connection the same way it is today, except it will be in the morning, so 9 a.m., but it will be the same number that you called today. Any questions, Mr. Turner or Mr. Davis?
No, Your Honor.
No, Judge, I'm all set. Thank you.
All right, gentlemen, you may disconnect from the hearing. And the court is calling Dante Acra. Dante Acra, case number SP 11224-282. Dante Yacht Acra, and the charge is no insurance. Count one of that same ticket is disregarding a traffic device. Is Mr. Dante Acra in the virtual courtroom? If so, please say your name for the record.
Yes, I'm present. My name is Dante Ackroyd.
Thank you, Mr. Acra. The court is also calling Anthony Turner. Anthony Turner, case number U58746-420, Anthony Dewan Turner. The charge is soliciting, aiding, and abetting another for an act of prostitution. Mr. Anthony Dewan Turner, if you're in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Anthony Dewan Turner.
Thank you, sir. The court is also calling Emmanuel Ashford. Emmanuel Ashford, case number SP 112-77131. The charge is improper plates. Count two of that same ticket, driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count three of the same ticket, no insurance. Also SP 112-77161, same defendant driving while unlicensed. SP 112-74611, same defendant, defective lights, insufficient or defective lights. Count two of that same ticket, failure to yield the right of way. And count three, no registration. Also for Mr. Ashford, SP 112-74641, no proof of insurance. Is Mr. Emmanuel Ashford in the virtual courtroom? If so, please say your name for the record.
Emmanuel Ashford.
Mr. Ashford, are you able to connect with your video?
Yes.
Please do that. Thank you. Please keep your video on, sir, for the rest of this hearing. Court is also calling Kalisha Armstrong, case number. Let's see, Miss Armstrong. Case number SP 112-76961. Kalisha Monet Armstrong, no insurance, and count 2 of that same ticket, expired plates. Ms. Armstrong, if you're in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Hello, Your Honor. I am present. Kalisha Armstrong.
Thank you, Ms. Armstrong. Mr. Accra, I lost your video, sir. I need to see your face, please.
Okay.
And the court is calling Pedro Ayala. Pedro Ayala. And Mr. Ayala, the case number is case number SP 112-75901. Pedro Angel Ayala, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and count 2 of that same ticket, same defendant, no insurance. Is Mr. Ayala in the virtual courtroom? If so, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, I believe he's in the waiting room. He got kicked out.
Okay.
I have to retain him. You want me to admit him?
Yes, let me unlock so he can get in, if that's Mr. Ayala. All right. Mr. Pedro Ayala.
You let them bring some wood.
Hey, my phone, what was your name again?
Pedro Ayala.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Ayala. I read your charges while you were in the other room, so I'm going to read them again because that's part of what is required at this stage of the proceeding. SP 112-75901, Pedro Angel Ayala, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and count 2 of that same ticket, no insurance. Who is representing these persons? Ms. Robinson, your appearance.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Sarah Robinson, P63181, representing all defendants.
Thank you. And Ms. Robinson, how do you wish to proceed?
For all defendants, waive the formal reading and stand mute, Judge.
All right. For each of you, the court is entering a not guilty plea. For each of you, the court is giving you the pretrial date of June 15, 2021 at 9 a.m. And for each of you, the court is giving you a personal bond. That means you do not have to pay any money, but you must return for your pretrial on June 15. Again, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any documentation that will assist the prosecutor in giving you a better offer, bring it with you when you come on June 15. It will be a Zoom connection, the same way you connected today. You will connect on June 15, except it will be in the morning, 9 a.m. in the morning. Does anyone have any questions before we leave the hearing? If not, you may